What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy Alhan. You dig? I might unbox the PS5. Stay tuned, subscribe. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take this. Yeah, I'm unboxing that PS5, man. Whew. That sucker here, you know, Ooh, alright. Take it out. Okay, first, let's see what this is. Oh, let's see what this is. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's my DualSense controller. Oh, man. Okay, I'll take this thing off. Okay, take this out. Oh. Okay, dang. Oh, can you see this? Oh, man, oh my, man, look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see this? Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Man. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at this. Okay, let's controller. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Man. Yep. Oh, lit.
Show me how you dance. Give you the one dance. Show me how you dance. Can you do it with some tights? Can you really do it right?
Yeah, y'all see this? Beautiful, huh? Man. Ooh. Okay, this is the PS5, man. PlayStation Store? Where is it? Oh, this PlayStation Plus. PlayStation Store.